Good morning. It's not really a good morning because I freaking hate Mother Nature. It's the start of the snow blizzard coming our way, the Bucks County area. Just why? I freaking hate the snow. Well, I hope you enjoyed the new intro. I thought it was pretty sweet. Worked long and hard for it and all that stuff. Do not eat. It's for... Oh, I'm just looking in the fridge for some breakfast, and my mom wrote a note, but don't touch anything. Don't touch anything. It is so freaking bright outside. It's like bringing in the light, but thank God I have like curtains and all that stuff. But I'm gonna start getting ready because I don't want to risk, the main highways, roads for me being late to class. I still have class, which is bull. Hopefully, I'm only there for an hour. It's not gonna kill me, but I still gotta get ready and look pretty. Well, I'm gonna transfer from this to sassy. Okay? Well, I'm all ready. And I think I look pretty cute. I'm trying to dress up every day to boost my confidence and just, make every day great this semester. So I don't know what to eat, but I'll probably find something because I'm a little hungry. I don't know. I just want to see what we have. I kind of picked Frosted Flakes because you can never go wrong with Frosted Flakes, honestly. So I'm just gonna get the bowl. And I'm gonna get the spoon. Am I one of those people that are really picky about what you do with your cereal? Because I like doing cereal and then milk. Some people do milk then cereal. I'm like, why? Honestly, it's kind of a little weird if you do that. So, milk then cereal. Milk? No. Cereal then milk. I sound like a hypocrite for a second. Cereal, then milk. Oh my God, I'm not in my head right now. It's crazy. The snow, man. Just milk, then cereal. Oh, this freaking weather. I went outside to warm up the car, so I'm not freezing to death. And it's starting to snow. And I really just want that text message or email saying classes are canceled and blah, blah, blah. I don't mind driving in the snow because I know what to expect and I know what to do if anything happens because my dad taught me. But at the same time, there's idiot drivers out there that you just can't control. But I don't know. I just don't want to go. And it's so freaking bright outside. It's too much. And I don't know. Oh, I don't want to go. Watch, I'm going to get a text message while I'm driving saying, oh, class is canceled. I'm already up there. I'll be pissed off. That's ridiculous. They should at least send it, knowing, there's people traveling to your school, not people that are local. I mean, I understand, but the people in, Croydon or Bristol or Levittown, or Bensalem, they have a far way to go. And not just around the corner. So hopefully they're smart about it. Hey guys, I'm driving to school now and I'll see you guys later. Yeah, drive safe. Goodbye. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Obviously I got to school safe and I'm happy about that. It's 11:30. My class doesn't start till 12, so I'm just gonna wait just 10 more minutes, then I'll start walking. I like my car, so I'm just gonna stay in here and just jam to Bruno Mars. It's the way to do it. Well, I'm gonna head up to my class, and I'll see you guys afterwards. I'm gonna get all bundled up and just start walking, just speed walking, my class. See you after. See you on the other side. Just left choir. Look how pretty it is. It's gorgeous. It is snowing a little harder. So I'm gonna get my car now. Some asshole drivers. Okay, I'll see you guys when I get home or at the train station. Oh crap, I'm picking up my sister. I'll see you at the train station. Well, there's no work for me tonight. Yes! I'm so excited because I get to stay home and I don't have to drive anywhere. But I'm at the train station now waiting for my sister. It's still snowing. These windshield wipers that I have for my sister's car really suck. And yeah, the choir was nice. He sang a lot. But yeah, it sucks I can't do voice lessons. I just wish I freaking had my own car. It's annoying. Whatever. Anyway. Well, I hope you guys are having a nice day wherever you are. If it's sunny, I hate you. If it's warm, I hate you. If you live in Florida, I hate you. I'm just kidding. I like everyone. Except for some people. You know who you are. I'm just kidding. No one does. But I'm talking too much because I'm really tired and I'm just bored out of my mind. But I'm just gonna keep listening to this Jam CD and just wait for my sister. Okay, bye. Well, I'm home. And I'm watching Frozen again. And I'm snuggled in my blanket. Can you tell? Can you tell? It's really bright outside. Can you see me? Now you can. So I'm just gonna lay here and watch Frozen. Maybe do some homework. I don't know. So I'm doing some homework and I'm sitting by my heater and all that fun stuff. And today is Monday and I put up a Man Crush Monday post and everyone does their boyfriend or whatever. I did my pop-up today. So you guys should definitely check me out at Shannon.Bylina, B as in boy, Y-L-I-N-A. Link below. It's the cutest picture of me, I swear. I'm not trying to sound dumb, but I think it's the cutest picture of me and my pop-up ever. And I love it. I love me and my pop-up. We're amazing and we're the cutest. You know. Because a lot of people don't have their pop-ups around anymore, but I'm thankful I still have mine and I'm happy I get to spend more time with him. And I love my pop-up so much. Such a sentimental moment. I love my pop-up.
Dandelion, blowing a dandelion. Right? Yeah. Climbing. Ladder.
Climbing a tree. Stop cheating!
Play the flute.
Yeah.
Making snow angels.
NYPD is searching the area. We've got a citywide alert.
Making butter.
This didn't go well, did it?
Stop cheating!
Cropping a pumpkin.
Are we being arrested or what?
Thinking? You're a statue. You're sleeping. You're daydreaming.
Yes.
I just farted. Making your bed.
Yep.
You didn't tell us.
Opera. Singing.
Yeah.
Beer pong.
No. Shannon, you don't go like this. I'm gonna head to bed. I'm really tired. Great day today. No work. Got some homework done. No school. Oh yeah, no school tomorrow. I get to sleep in. Oh, I should probably turn off my alarms. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. But down below, follow me on my Instagram, tweet me, follow me on Pinterest, blah blah blah. Thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Surviving the blizzard of 2015. Haha.